All right. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Groove Tutorials. And today, in this particular video, I'm just going to it's a very short video. There was a query on about the Groove. I just want to show you. One of our member, Sultan, asked a query about how to edit the fees, like fees for, let's go ahead and check this out. Uh, the processing fees for the gateway. He just wanted to know that how to set up the processing fees for the gateway. So inside the Groove cell, we have an option to click here and then we can able to set it up. So let's go ahead and see that how we can able to do that. Okay. For that, what we have to do, I'm just going into my Groove cell dashboard. From there, I'm just going to the funnels and products. And after that, what I have to do, I'll simply, first let me go ahead and click on demo mode. And then I'm going to open one of my funnels, the live funnels. From here, manage products. Then we'll go edit products. I will see that option inside the gateway. All right, in here. Not in the gateway, I guess. Let me check. Okay, affiliate. Sorry, it's in the affiliate area, I guess. Here. Okay. So when we select this option, activate affiliate program, at that time, it asks us calculate commission after removing the processing fees. When you turn this on, now you have a note that please make sure you enter the processing fees for the gateway for accurate calculation of the processing fees by clicking here. Now, why it is required? Then when you are paying to the affiliates, first, whatever the charges you are making on your product, okay, it will the processing fees will get debited from that particular amount. And after that, whatever the net profit will be remaining, from that the affiliate will be paid. So let's consider like your product is valued for $400. From the $400, whatever the gateway processing fees, whether it is 2% or 3%, it will get debited first. So let's say that 400 2% will be $8. Okay, so that $8 will be get removed from the gross amount, and whatever the amount like $392 is remaining, so your commission, the affiliates commission will be paid from the $392 amount. So let's go ahead and see it. Now when I click it on here, it gets me to the vendor settings area where I will see all of my gateways, all of my payment gateways which I have integrated in here. So this is it in here. Like you see that I have PayPal info and my Stripe accounts has been connected. Now, if you go to now you see there are 3 dots given in here. Okay, on all the blocks. From these 3 dots, you can click on on anyone you want to do this. So you have reporting override option. When you click on reporting override, okay. So what PayPal is saying, PayPal fees is calculated automatically via API. So the fees doesn't have to be entered manually. So you don't have to do it in case of PayPal if you're using the PayPal. But other than PayPal, I'm using Stripe as well. So when I go to the Stripe and I'm clicking on overriding, reporting override, then it will give me a block area that how much percentage I'm my gateway is charging. Okay, so I have mentioned in here that 5.5% in the percentage. I did not put directly at as a dollar. Okay, I added the percentage amount, that how much percentage my gateway is charging, which is 5.5%. Okay, so I added in here and update it. So as soon as I will update it, it will be feed inside my settings, and whenever any sale is happening and my affiliate commissions has been calculated by the Groove system, they will remove the processing fees, and after that I will be getting the final amount from the dashboard so that I have to pay to my affiliates. So I hope Sultan, you have got this got this sorted out now. I'm sending this video to you. Please watch it and review it. Let me know whether you can able to do it or not. Thank you very much. I'm coming up with new tutorials. If you like the video, please share, hit like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.